Hey, I am Dishi, a third year student of microbiology at Gagi College, University of Delhi. Earlier this year, in January, I took part in an internship workshop course organized by SciAstra. During this workshop, my mentor Anirudh and Ashita Ramesh guided us through important skills such as drafting in mail for professors and professionally approaching them for internships, and also building in strong resume and CVs. We also learned how to prepare for interviews. That was super helpful for me. At the end of the course, they also taught us about how to apply for internship outside the India also. And so this workshop really helped me to gain confidence to apply for the internships, and because of the skills I learned there, I got an internship at National Institute of Immunology, where I worked under the lab of vaccine immunology, and it's been a very incredible experience for me, and I'm really thankful for the guidance and support I received during the workshop, and I'm really thankful for all for conducting this workshop. Thank you.